Aloha, this is Harry from Kailua. I've been getting a lot of questions as far as, how should I start, from beginners. But, and a lot of people don't get to look at the old videos that I started with. So as a reminder, you should go back to some of my old videos because it has foundation stuff. But so today we're going to do a review of the musical language or the alphabet. But I'm going to do it on the ukulele today. Because my whole project started as Harry's guitar for Slacky Guitar, but I've been getting a lot of requests for teaching ukulele songs, and there's a lot of ukulele shows now. And if you saw the old shows, to me the ukulele and the guitar is the same thing. This is the 5th fret of the guitar. So, and one string is a piano. So this is a review of the musical alphabet, so that it allows you to learn 12 times faster information so that you can get to your songs. So it's great to learn songs first, but I think it's also balancing learning knowledge is going to help you get to your goals quicker. So here's a close-up for the review of the musical language. Okay, today we're going to do a review of the musical language, the musical alphabet. I did it on an earlier video. It's called the music alphabet, but this is a reminder that if you're a beginner and you need tools to help you learn quicker, you should look back at some of my old shows. But that was done on the guitar, and some people want this on the ukulele, even though it's the same thing to me. So we're going to do it on ukulele today, the review, okay? So first thing you want to do is say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then say it backwards, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, and notice how, if you practice saying it backwards, it'll take you a while. But music is like math in a sense, If you say, like at the clock, 1 to 12, 12 to 1, there's no problem because we use math every day. Well, musicians use numbers and letters, so it's a good mental warm-up for you to say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, okay? And then that's your first mental warm-up. Second thing that's important before we start is you have to know the tuning of the ukulele. So this is G, C, E, A, if you didn't know that already. So you could use the acronym, good chefs eat a lot. And I have a student that says good cannibals eat a lot. So you make up your own, okay? Now, on one string is a piano, or like a piano. So look at the piano and notice A, B, C, D, E, F, G are the white keys. And there's two places where the white keys are next to each other. It's B, C, and E, and F. So I use the acronym as bake cookies and eat fruit, okay? And so this direction up is, like here's a G, C, E, A. So here's A. So A would be here, the white key, and I'm going to skip over to a black note. This is now B, and B goes next to C because you have to bake your cookies. Then you hop over C to D, you hop over to E, and E goes straight to F. You have to eat your fruit, and you hop over to G, and you hop over to A. So this is your 12th fret. The 12th fret, which has like a double dot for me, is the same as the beginning. So if this is G, C, E, A, this is G, C, E, A. So if you start with A, you better end with A there. And this is for all string instruments, not just the ukulele. But we'll practice an ukulele today, and we're going to play it like a game. Okay, we're going to do 6 levels of this game. First level is you're going to just go up in sound, white keys. Oh, before we go do this, I forgot. The black keys are called two things, sharp and flat. So going up in sound is called sharp, going down in sound is called flat. So between A and B, there's a black note on the keyboard. So A to the higher, to the right is sharp, and B to the left is flat. So A sharp or B flat, okay? So we're gonna just practice the white keys first, okay? So follow along. A, hop over B, next door C, hop over D, hop over E, next door F, hop over G, hop over A, okay? Now, you're probably wondering why you want to learn this. Well, it will allow you to learn 12 times faster. Like for instance, the first chord you learn in ukulele is a C chord, right? Well, it doesn't matter what finger you put there. If you put your baby finger there and you strum, let's say, okay, when you strum, you're playing 0, 0, 0, and 3. Okay, so like a slide ruler, we're going to move the 3 to 4, then the zeros move to 1. This is now on a black note. This is now C sharp or D flat. This is D. you're going to be learning 12 times faster chords, information, everything. Even scales like do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. This is right now in the key of C sharp because this is good chef C, C sharp or D flat. And that's do, re, mi in the key of C sharp. If I move it up, it's in the key of D. It's a white key. Then white goes to black. This is D sharp or D, E flat. Everything looks the same. So we're going to learn 12 times faster than a piano. Not to put the piano down at all, but you know, string instruments are cool for that. So we're going to do 6 levels of this game. Your first goal is to do warm up and go this way. Level 1. Okay? I'm going to go A, B, C, hop over D, hop over E, next door F, G, A. And of course, if you're looking at this video, I mean the letters, it's easy. I want you to do it without looking. So let's do the next string. I'm not going to put anything up. This is good chef's eat. So this is E. So E goes next door to F, hop over to G, hop over to A, hop over to B, next door C, hop over D, hop over E. And you did it right because E and E. So you would do this on every string and you do it until you feel comfortable. So this is good chef. So this is C, hop over to D, hop over to E, next door F, hop over to G, hop over A, hop over B, and B goes straight to C. So if you did it on this string, this is G. So G, hop over to A, hop over to B, next door C, hop over D, hop over E, next door F, hop over G. Okay? So I'm going to call this level 1 of the game. Level 2, you want to go backwards. You've got to get a brain to go the other way. Okay, so this is still G, C, E, A. So here's level 2 on the A string, and I'll write this one down on the screen. So if this is A, I hop over to G, I hop over to F, straight to E, because fruit, eat. So eat fruit, fruit, eat. So when you go backwards, you have to kind of think like Yoda or Hawaiian pidgin language, you know, fruit, eat, cookies, bake. So anyway, again, A, hop over to G, hop over to F, next door E, hop over to D, hop over to C, cookies, which you bake, that's your B, and you hop over back to A. So you would do this in every string until you get kind of warmed up. So this is a good chef's eat. So if this is E, you hop over to D, hop over to C, B, A, G, F, E. Okay, so you would do this on every string. That's level 2. Okay, level 3, the game is you're going to go up with white and black. So we'll keep the white notes 1 name, the black notes on piano 2 names. Okay, so 1 string is equal to a piano. So here's A. So this would be a black note. This is A sharp to the right or B flat. So level 3, I'm going to say both names for the black notes and one name for the white notes. So this is A sharp or B flat, B, C, C sharp or D flat, D, D sharp or E flat, E, F, F sharp or G flat, G, G sharp or A flat, A. And you would do this on every string to warm up. Okay. Level 4, you do the opposite. So since you're going to go down, let's say flat first. So you're going to go A flat or G sharp, G, G flat or F sharp, F, straight to E, E flat or D sharp, D, D flat or C sharp, C, B, B flat or A sharp, and A. Okay, that's level 4 of the game. Next 2 levels are the hardest way to practice. Okay, you're going to go up, white and black, but you're going to only say the flat names for the black notes. So it's like walking uphill backwards. So example, A, B flat, B, C, D flat, D, E flat, E, straight to F, G flat, G, A flat, A. So that's level 5 of the game. And the last level of the game, level 6, you're going to go down and you're going to say the sharp names. So it'll be like walking downhill backwards. Okay, so A, G sharp, G, F sharp, F, E, D sharp, D, C sharp, C, B, A sharp, A. Now, if you do this as a daily routine as a beginner, you're going to actually learn 12 times faster from here on. So this is just an important trick that I share with you. So here's an example. If you learn 4 chords, here's an A chord, here's an A minor chord, here's an A7, and here's an A minor 7. Okay? Now I'm going to hold the A, but instead of these 2 fingers, I'm going to hold it with these so that I pretend my first finger is like a capo. It's still an A, A minor, A7, A minor 7, right? Just different fingers. But if I take this A and I slide it up, now I have to bar. I can bar the whole, all 4, or just the 2, doesn't matter. But this is now A sharp or B flat, right? Then so it has the same shape as an A, but if I remove this finger, now this is A sharp minor or B flat minor. Put it back on, I'm back to A sharp, B flat. Take this one off, now it's A sharp 7 or B flat 7. And if I take both off, I have now a combination, a super long name. This is A sharp minor 7 or B flat minor 7. And I put it back, same shape, move it up, then it's the next letter. Now I'm on a white key. This is B, B minor, B7, B minor 7. It's starting to catch on. Then you move it up, that's a C. So as a beginner, you're going to go, well, I already know this C. Why should we learn this C? Well, sometimes you hear Hawaiian music has things like this. So that's B flat, B, C. So the whole point is every string instrument, whether it's ukulele, guitar, mandolin, bass, when you learn a pattern of any kind, whether it's a chord, this is an F chord, it slides up. Now it's got F sharp or G flat, G, and you can see the G chord right there. So this tool is going to help you learn 12 times faster, and I just want all you ukulele players to know this. So have fun with this game, and we'll keep reviewing a lot of music stuff as we go on. Okay, aloha.